Hey guys! Hello! Hello! Say hi! Say hi! Say hi! Hello! How are you guys? How are you there? How are you there? Hello! Hello guys! Good afternoon! How are you? Hello! How are you guys? Why are you running, guys? Why are you running? Hello! Do not run, guys! I'm a Filipino! I'm a Filipino! Ooh, I'm not a foreigner! Hello! Hi! Do not run! You're on camera! Woo! Guys, swim, swim, guys, swim! Hello! Yeah, very good! Very good! Yay! Wow, it's cool! It's cool, guys, it's cool! Wow, hello! Hi, kids! How are you guys? Hello! Yeah, Gab! Hi, Gab! Hi, Gab! How are you, Gab? How are you? Gab, Gab! How are you? How are you guys? Ah! Woo! Just swim, guys! Just swim lang! Swim lang! Gab! Ay, Gab! Bruha ka! Bumabakat, Gab! Okay, guys! Swim lang kayo, guys! Swim lang! Swim lang! Just enjoy the beach! Hello! Hello! Hello, guys! Do not run! Do not run! Hello, guys! Do not run, guys! Do not run! Guys, do not run! I'm not a foreigner! Hi, guys! Hi, guys! Hi, Abibeng! How are you, Abibeng? I'm a foreigner! I like you, Abibeng! Hello, guys! How are you? Do not run! How are you? How are you? How are you? Hello! Hello, guys! Abibeng, do not run!
Dito kami, dito.
Hello! How are you guys? Do not run! Do not run! Hello, guys! What are you doing there? Hello! Hello! Oh, I'm going there. I'm going there. I'm going there. What are you doing, guys? What are you doing, guys? Wow! What is that, guys? Wow, you're doing anilupak. Anilupak, traditional recipe of ano? Of the banana nilupak. Hi guys, hi guys. How are you guys? I'm sorry guys, I'm not a foreigner. Wow!
Ground banana.
Ground banana. Ground banana. Hey, hey. Hey baby, how are you? How are you? God bless. God bless. Walang nyog. Ayan o, yung puno. Nasaan si Abibing? Nawala si Abibing. Takbo, takbo si Abibing. Takbo, takbo. Takot sa camera, takot sa camera. Lalawat ka? Ha? Doon kayo pumunta sa tabunan. Nalitaw sa takligan kanina.
Galing na kami kanina.
Galing na kayo kanina. Ha?
Pinalis lang kami dun.
100 kilo daw huli ni Harold. Naka 100 kilo nga.
Gibit mo kanina la? Yung batang ari.
Bumahagi nga ang kalating kilo. Nakakayamang burig kakaunti. Eh yung binahagi 3/4 50 pesos lang ang pinabayad sa ni Harold. 80 yata na. 80. Yan guys, gagawa kami ng maglulupak kami guys, maglulupak. Ground banana. Ayan guys, oh. May nyug doon sa bahay, sa kabila. Sa kabila, haluran.
Yung ano?
3 puno nandun. Punta ka dyan, Bibing. Hi guys! Ay, 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 ay. Abibing! Ay, guys! Tumakbo. Ay, nako guys. Ah, takot si Abibing sa camera. Paano kita mabibenta? Hi guys, how are you guys? Takot, takot. Hi guys, let's go guys. Guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Takot guys si Abibing, takot. Paano ko to pag... Guys, paano kita pagkakakitaan? Guys, bye-bye. See you on my next vlog. I will tally Abibing. Okay? Okay guys, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Love you guys. Ay nako. Ang hirap na magbenta. Ay nako. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.